Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to fix one of the most common mistakes English learners make. When someone asks, "How are you?" What do you usually say? Probably, "I'm fine." Now listen, "I'm fine" is not wrong, but it sounds robotic. It sounds like a line from a textbook. And honestly, in real life, native speakers almost never use it. Even worse, sometimes, "I'm fine" in English actually means, "I don't want to talk." So if you always say, "I'm fine," people might think you're not interested in the conversation. That's not what you want, right? So let's learn what people really say. I'll give you natural alternatives, real-life situations, and you'll practice with me. Imagine this. You meet a friend at school or at work. They ask, "How are you?" Instead of, "I'm fine," try, "I'm good, thanks." Short, simple, natural. If you feel very positive, you can say, "I'm doing great," or "I'm fantastic today." Notice how these answers have energy. They invite conversation. Practice with me. How are you? "I'm good, thanks." How are you? "I'm fantastic today." Now imagine it's a normal day. Nothing special. You're okay, but not amazing. Instead of "I'm fine," say, "Not too bad," "Pretty good," or "Can't complain." These are super common in casual conversations. They make you sound friendly without over-explaining. Practice with me. How are you? "Not too bad." How are you? "Can't complain." Sometimes you want to joke a little. Here are some answers natives use with friends. Living the dream. Often said ironically when life is hard, but it's funny. Same old, same old. Everything is the same as usual. Busy as a bee. I'm busy, but in a light way. Hanging in there. I'm surviving even if things are tough. These phrases make people smile. They also show more personality than "I'm fine." Try them with me. How are you? Living the dream. How are you? Same old, same old. Now here's a cultural tip. In English, "How are you?" is often not a deep question. It's just a friendly hello. So your answer doesn't have to be long, just something natural. But in some situations, you might want to share more. For example, with a close friend, you can say, "I'm a little tired today." "I'm feeling great, I just got a new job." Notice you can add a reason. That makes it more personal. Here's another secret. Native speakers often don't stop with an answer. They continue the conversation. So instead of ending with, "I'm fine," try, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" "Pretty good. And you?" "Not too bad. How's your day going?" This keeps the conversation alive. It shows you're interested in the other person. Let's practice together. How are you? "I'm good, thanks." How about you? How are you? "Pretty good. And you?" All right, let's test your instincts. I'll give you a situation. You choose the better answer. You're at work, your boss asks, "How are you?" Option 1, "I'm fine." Option 2, "I'm doing well, thank you." Correct. Option 2, more polite, more natural. You meet a close friend on the street. They ask, "How are you?" Option 1, "I'm fine." Option 2, "Not too bad, how about you?" Correct. Option 2, friendly and conversational. You're joking with a colleague. They ask, "How are you?" Option 1, "I'm fine." Option 2, living the dream. Correct. Option 2, playful, funny, perfect in context. Now let's review. "I'm fine" is not wrong, but it's boring and sometimes negative. Instead, try positive answers. "I'm good, thanks." "I'm fantastic." Neutral answers. "Pretty good." "Not too bad." Funny answers. "Living the dream." Same old, same old. Conversation builders. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Practice these and people will immediately feel more connected to you. Great job today. Now it's your turn. In the comments, answer this question. How are you today? But remember, no, "I'm fine." Use one of the new expressions instead. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share it with a friend who always says, "I'm fine." And of course, subscribe for more fun and natural English lessons. See you in the next video.